Good morning, dear students. Chapter 14 water I have completed, and day before yesterday I have given exercises from chapter 14, and today I will give the exercise from chapter 14. Answer the following. Answer the following. First question is describe a simple experiment to prove that air contains water vapor. Describe simple experiment to prove that air contains water vapor. In this answer you have to prefer activity 1. Page number 169. First answer you have to write from page number 169, activity 1. Full activity you have to write with diagram. Activity 1. Page number 169 and activity 1. In this you have to write activity 1. Activity 1 is to show the presence of water vapor in air. To show the presence of water vapor in air. Full activity you have to write in your copy. Second question is explain how the oceans, which are salty in nature, are the source of fresh water. Answer 2. Answer 2. The oceans add water vapor The oceans add water vapor in the form of water in the form of vapor. Water in the form of vapor This vapor condenses This vapor condenses and precipitate again comes in the form of rainwater on the earth. Second question is the oceans add water in the form of vapor. This vapor condenses and precipitate again comes in the form of rainwater on the earth. This is the answer second. And now next question is how the plants add water vapor in air. How the plants add water vapor in air. Answer 3. The surplus water is released. Answer 3. The surplus water is released. The surplus water is released into air through the leaves by the process of transpiration. by the process of transpiration. By the process of transpiration. By the process of transpiration, the amount of water which is released in the air, in the form of water vapor is very large. Answer 3. The surplus water is released into air through the leaves by the process of transpiration. The amount of water which is released in the air in the form of water vapor is very large. Answer 4. Why deforestation is responsible for less rain? Deforestation is responsible for less rain because plants cannot add water vapor into the atmosphere. Because plants cannot add water vapor into the atmosphere. Because plants cannot add water vapor into the atmosphere. Next question is how are clouds formed? Answer 5. How are clouds formed? You have to refer page number. Refer to page number 170. Page number, you have to write from page number 170. How are clouds formed? You have to write from page number 170. Clouds are made of droplets of water, ice crystals, particles of dust and air. The lower parts of Earth's atmosphere is full of water vapor, and the water vapor is not visible in the air because it is a gas. And clouds are formed when some water vapor condenses, changes into the liquid state and forms teeny droplets of water. And if the air is cooled enough, the water will form ice crystal instead of droplets. So this is how are clouds formed. You have to refer page number 170. Next question is the question number 6. Question number 6. Describe 4 harmful effects of excessive rain. Describe 4 harmful effects of excessive rain. Effects of excessive rain. You have to write from page number 173. Excessive rain, page number 173. You have to write from page number 173. Panic, injuries and death. Water level in rivers, lakes and ponds rises. Soil erosion takes place. Damage to crops. diseases, loss of habitats of plants and animals too, physical damage to houses and industries. Answer number 7. Answer 7. Describe 4 harmful effects of very less or no rain. That is the drought conditions. Page number 174. You have to write from page number 174. What are the conditions due to absence of rain? That is the many effects are there. Crops cannot be grown and already shown crops fail to grow. Level of groundwater falls leading to acute water crisis, and erosion of soil by wind takes place, wind erosion. So you have to write from page number 174. Answer 8. Answer 8. Next question is what is rainwater harvesting and how is rainwater harvested in your home? Rainwater harvesting, you have to write from keywords. What is the rainwater harvesting? You have to write from keywords. And how is rainwater harvested in your home? It is given on page number 173. How is rainwater harvested in your home? It is given on page number 173. And you have to write from there rooftop rainwater harvesting. And in this system, rooftop rainwater harvesting. How is rainwater harvested in your home? In this you have to write rooftop rainwater harvesting. In this system, rainwater from the rooftop is brought down by a pipe which empties itself in the filter tank containing sand and pebbles, and the water from filter tank is then made to seep into another tank for storage. And the government of Tamil Nadu has made it compulsory for the people, the state, to construct such tanks for water harvesting. So this is all about chapter 14. You have to complete your copy.